Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of beetroot, also known as beets. This vibrant root vegetable, with its rich color and earthy flavor, isn't just a delicious addition to your plate, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. We're going to break down the science behind how beets can impact everything from your blood pressure to your brain health. We'll look at the vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds that make beets a nutritional all-star. So, whether you're a beet enthusiast or a curious newbie, get ready to discover the amazing health benefits of this incredible vegetable. Let's talk about blood pressure, a major health concern for many. High blood pressure, often called a silent killer, can lead to serious cardiovascular problems. The good news is that beetroot can play a role in naturally managing your blood pressure. Beets are a natural source of nitrates, which our bodies convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and dilates blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing pressure on your arteries. Studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Our brains are incredible organs, but they need the right nutrients to function optimally. Beets are packed with brain-boosting nutrients, including B vitamins, which are essential for cognitive function. The nitrates in beets help to dilate blood vessels, enhancing blood circulation throughout the body, including the brain. This improved blood flow delivers oxygen and essential nutrients to brain cells, supporting their function. Beets may potentially protect against age-related cognitive decline. Strong bones are crucial for overall health and mobility, and beets can contribute to your bone health in a big way. They are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for bone formation and maintenance. Beets provide a good dose of vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen production. Collagen forms the framework of our bones, providing strength and flexibility. Beets also deliver vitamin K, essential for bone mineralization, and magnesium, which helps the body absorb calcium. They also provide copper, involved in collagen formation and bone strength. A healthy gut is fundamental to overall well-being, and beets can be your digestive system's new best friend. One of the key reasons beets are so beneficial for digestion is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for keeping things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. Beets contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which add bulk to your stool and make waste easier to pass. Beyond fiber, beets contain prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Our livers are incredible organs working tirelessly to filter toxins from our blood and keep us healthy. Beets contain compounds that can give your liver a helping hand in the detoxification process. Beetroot is a good source of beta-alanes, powerful antioxidants that support liver function by increasing the production of detoxification enzymes. Beets also contain betaine, a nutrient that helps protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Betaine supports the liver's natural detoxification pathways, helping it to more efficiently remove harmful substances from the body. Pregnancy is a special time in a woman's life, a time of immense growth and development for both mother and baby. A healthy diet is more critical than ever during pregnancy, and beets can be a valuable addition to a pregnancy diet. One of the most important nutrients during pregnancy is folate, essential for the development of the baby's neural tube. Beets are a good source of folate, helping to ensure adequate intake during this critical time. In addition to folate, beets provide iron, a mineral that is often in high demand during pregnancy. Iron is essential for red blood cell production, which carries oxygen to both mother and baby. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and well-being, and beets can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Beets are naturally low in calories, making them a great addition to a calorie-controlled diet. Beets are incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they pack a powerful nutritional punch for their calorie content. This means you get essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without a lot of calories. Beets are a good source of fiber, which helps promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction after meals. Thank you for watching. We've explored just a fraction of the incredible health benefits that beetroot offers. From supporting heart health and boosting brain power, to aiding digestion and promoting healthy pregnancies, this vibrant vegetable truly deserves a place on your plate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Incorporating more nutrient-rich foods like beets into your diet is one of the best things you can do for your health. See you next time.